Hi guys, it's Neda here, and in this video I would like to cover the difference between writing something and drawing the hair strokes. When you just learn to microblade, it is very hard to forget about how you've been holding the pen or pencil in your hand and writing or drawing something. That habit is not easy to break, but it is possible. When you're working with a blade, you have to completely forget about how you've been writing. So when it comes to holding a blade and drawing hair strokes, this is how things works. We only work with these 3 fingers. The blade will have to stand on your middle finger. You will support it with this finger, and then your thumb is the one that's guiding your blade to slide and to move around on the eyebrows area and draw hair strokes. So I'm going to show you how it works. First thing first, if you have one of these type of blades, you have to make sure all the time the Phi sign should be always in front of you, and you have to always see this sign. You never start blading in this way. You see this curve in here? You should never see it. It should be always against you, away from you. So you always see this sign facing you. Okay, now I want to draw. What I'm doing is I'm not moving my hand around. I'm just drawing with my thumb, holding it, and moving my blade and drawing the hair strokes for me. So pay attention to my thumb. My thumb is helping, you see, to move the blade around. I'm gonna do it also with one of these ones, the universal holders. So it's easier, it's not black, it's easier to see the movement. And I move it slightly with my thumb. I do not move my hand. So from now on, when you are drawing the hair strokes, you have to make sure you're very light-handed. Do not put a lot of pressure, otherwise it's gonna stuck into the, the blade. It will stuck into the latex, and you're gonna have hard time dragging it. So very slight movements, very lightweight. You just go and give it a nice curve. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please comment it below, or you can DM me. I would be happy to help you with the answers. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.